Here's the way to cut stone fruits. Stone fruit is a term used to describe fruits that have a hard pit in the center. Make sure the fruit is ripe by lightly pressing the flesh with your thumb. With a kitchen knife, cut the fruit in half lengthwise along the pit. Then, carefully twist the two halves in opposite directions. Remove the pit and cut the flesh into quarters, slices, or chunks. You can peel a ripe peach, nectarine, or apricot by using a sharp knife to make a cross in the bottom of the fruit. Use the knife to carefully pull away the skin. Is the peach or nectarine not quite ripe? Dip the peach briefly in boiling water until the skin begins to curl at the top. Shock the peach in cold water and peel the skin off. Plums and apricots have a smaller pit. Cut the fruit lengthwise around the pit. Usually the fruit opens on its own. If not, gently twist the halves in opposite directions and remove the pit. And that's the way to cut stone fruits.